Yo, what is up YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. The day has finally come. I am going to attempt to start the Mini Cooper that I once bought for a couple $100 and installed the motor on. The first thing I'm going to do is check the oil level and refill the coolant. The oil level looks pretty good. On the side of the reservoir, you're going to see a minimum line and a maximum line, and you're going to refill the coolant until the maximum line. The next thing I'm going to do is install a battery. To install a battery, you need to take off the battery cover, which is held down by this 10mm nut and this 10mm bolt. I'm going to install an original BMW battery, charged and ready to be used. Now I'm going to connect the terminals. Now that the battery is fully installed, I can now reinstall the battery cover. For some reason, I don't have the cover itself, which means I'm going to have to go ahead and get one. Okay, let's go through this again. I checked the coolant level, I checked the oil, and I installed the battery. All the connectors are in place, so I guess it's time to try and start the car. I did find headlight trims and the lower grille trim, so I installed it off camera. Now I'm going to open the garage so that the fumes from the exhaust don't stay inside. Alright guys, I am 16 years old and this is the first time I have ever installed an engine. Let's see how well I did. We do have power, which is great. Now let's see if the car starts. No way! It started up like a charm. This is my first time. Guys, it's actually running. I actually did it. I'm so happy right now. We do have a check engine light, which is fine, hopefully, and the car is running a little choppy. I'm gonna pray it's a bad mass airflow sensor, but other than that, the car is running. Let's go. Now I can take this bad boy out for his first test drive. Let's see if everything works. Oh, both windows work. Okay. Does the radio work? Look at that, the radio even works. What about the AC? The AC works. This car is a charm. I am so happy. Everything seems to work. Awesome. Alright guys, that is going to be a wrap for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and if you enjoyed, please like and subscribe and comment down below how well did I do on my first ever engine installation. I'm really happy this car started up like a charm. Hopefully in the next video I can take it out for its first test drive. But first I need to figure out why the engine is chopping like that. Once again, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.